right, guys, we are back with another one. I am going to be using the cover beige for my base and C Nails products in the color. What color is this? I didn't show it. And then I have Nail House, and this is definitely in the color Wink. Love this pretty pink color. And I'm going to go in with a couple of these flowers that I got from Shein and this foil print, which is a Gucci pink foil print. Sorry if you hear the hard, heavy breathing. This is little Miss Jalea laying next to me breathing. But I'm just going to go on with that Nail House cover, the color Wink. And I'm going to apply that to my pinky, full pinky, because we're going to be doing a sugar nail for that one. This color is so pretty. I love the little silver shimmers that it has in it. And yeah, we're just going to be applying that. How's everybody's spring been going? Have y'all been having lots of rain, or y'all been having lots of, sunny days is giving you kind of like a soft summer vibe? Because here in Georgia, we have been getting off and on good weather, then bad weather. Literally, it'll be bright blue skies and sun booming, beaming, giving us like soft summer vibes. And it being like the nice 70s. And then the next day is clearly like beaming down with some rain, like a storm thunder. I'll be confused with this weather. I'm not used to it because I am originally from Las Vegas, you guys. And it is always hot and sunny out there. So coming out here and seeing literally the 4 seasons and lots of rain all the time is definitely different. But I do appreciate it. I am going to be taking that same color Wink and applying that on my ring finger. And this one, I am going to be doing a ombre with the Mia Secret cover beige. But yes, y'all, this pollen honey has got my kids' allergies flared up. My son and one of my daughters, they be sniffing, coughing. And I be like, oh, baby, I know. Spring will come. It's going to be gone soon. But that's what I do love about the rain. It makes the pollen kind of like settle down because of the wetness, the dampness. So it's not like blown everywhere compared to a beautiful sunny day. But other than that, I am loving the spring, you guys. The colors of the flowers are just blooming. And I mean vivid, bright colors. Pretty cherry blossom trees, stuff that you do not see in the desert. But yeah, my Shein order, like I said in my previous video, should be here tomorrow, you guys, so I can create some more spring nails. I have been literally on a groove coming up with ideas for nails, y'all, and I'm just working on my craft, trying to get my little foundation down. And boom, baby, we're gonna be on a roll. I cannot wait to see the growth. And creating videos like this definitely is a reminder as time goes on. What's the matter? Hi, Pumpkin. So then I'm gonna go on with the middle finger and take that Mia Secret cover beige. I love this color, y'all. Like, this is a nice cover color for a foundation when creating nails. It's just like a soft pink. It goes good. I think it goes well with my complexion as well. But anywho, I'm gonna stop rambling off. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I will be back in a bit. my nail art foil gel from McCart, and we are going to be using that Gucci pink foil to place all over the nail. I had a different idea in mind, and it was supposed to have been half, and then this nail was actually supposed to have been an ombre, and my ring finger was supposed to have been the solid color. But y'all know, sometimes you be moving too fast and then you be forgetting because your brain is going, at least my brain be 90 going north. But I'm going to take some of those loose flowers and I'm going to add it over the print, and I'm going to encapsulate that. That way all that hard work that I just did is covered when it's time to file. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Beetles polish in the color 634, and it is a perfect match for that Wink the Wink acrylic powder. And I'm just going to lightly cover that. That way when I use this beautiful purple glitter, it sticks well and it doesn't change the color. I just love a good sugar colored nail. The rest of the nails, I am going to go in and matte top coat these. Look at me, tongue twister a little bit. Yes, I'm going to use my McCart matte top, and I'm going to make these nails matte because the last set was glossy. And sometimes, matte will come through for you. I used to be a glossy girl, but I am turning out to start loving these matte top coats. I'm going to take that same color from Beetles and just do me a quick little Frenchie, and I'm going to sugarcoat that as well. And we are going to go on with some 3D flowers, baby. Look at those 3D flowers. Don't they just add a whole new little sauce to the little nail session, honey? I've been loving these 3D flowers, y'all. Oh man, I tell you, when I first got them, I had no clue exactly how I wanted to incorporate them, but baby, your girl's creative juices has been flowing, honey, and I'm loving it. And we are almost done. We are coming to an end, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have not yet subscribed, please feel free to do so. It is free and it is lovely because I would love for you to be a part of my love bugs. Anywho, you guys enjoy, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.